and welcome to the English Lab. My name is Natasha.
And this is my student, Chris. Hey, everyone.
Imagine this. You're in a beautiful restaurant. Soft lights, people talking, plates clinking. But when the waiter comes to you and says, "What would you like to order, sir?" your mind becomes blank. Today, right here, you and Chris will break that fear forever. By the end of this episode, you will order food confidently in any restaurant, anywhere in the world. Let's begin.
Natasha, I have to tell you something embarrassing.
Uh-oh. What happened?
Last week, I went to a cafe and the waiter asked me, "What can I get for you?" And Natasha, I said, yes?
You said yes? To what? The air? The chair? The floor?
Exactly. I panicked so hard that my brain stopped working.
Perfect. Then today's lesson is exactly for you and for every learner listening right now. We learn together, we laugh together, and we grow together. Let's start simple. When you enter a restaurant, the first thing you hear is, "Table for how many?" Meaning, how many people?
Oh, yes. I always get confused between table for two and table of two.
Good catch. Both are correct, but table for two is more common. Repeat after us. Table for two, please. Listeners, repeat with Chris. Phrase, reservation, meaning booking a table earlier. Pronunciation, reservation. Example, I have a reservation under the name Chris. Chris, imagine this. You walk into a fancy restaurant, soft jazz playing, waiters smiling. He asks, "Do you have a reservation?" What will you say?
Yes, table for two, reservation under the name Chris.
Boom! Beautiful. Smooth like butter.
Now we enter the battlefield, the menu.
The menu is my enemy.
Not anymore. After this episode, the menu will become your new best friend. Important words on menus. Appetizers, small starters, main course or entree, the big dish, sides, extra items, beverages, drinks, and specials, special dishes of the day.
I always read entree as enter, like the enter button.
Okay, repeat with me. Entree. Entree. Listeners, repeat with us. Entree. Entree. Vocabulary number 2. Word, beverage. Meaning, drink. Pronunciation, beverage. Example, what beverages do you have?
Chris, give me an example of a polite food order.
I want chicken rice.
Okay, common beginner mistake. Want sounds too strong. Not rude, but not polite. Try these instead. I would like. Could I have? May I get? Can you please bring me? Repeat after me. And you too, listener. I would like the chicken rice, please.
Wow, that does sound polite. Sometimes you want to order with more details. Less spicy. No sugar. Extra cheese. Without onions. With more gravy.
Listen and repeat. Could I get the pasta with extra cheese? No onions, please. Less spicy, please. Quick recap. You learned table for two, reservation, appetizers, entree, beverages, polite ordering phrases, and customizing food. You're doing great. Stay with us.
Natasha, can I tell them my worst mistake?
Oh, yes. Go on.
I once said to a waiter, "Give me water fast, fast."
No, Chris. This is not an action movie. Correct version. Could I have some water, please?
Or, may I have water, please? Listeners, repeat the correct version.
1. When you don't understand the menu.
Say, could you explain this dish, please? Or, what do you recommend?
2. When the food is wrong.
Be polite. Always. Excuse me, I think this is not my order. I ordered your dish.
3. When you want water refilled.
Could I get more water, please?
4. Asking for the bill.
Could we have the bill, please? Can I get the check, please? American English. Chris, ready for a rapid-fire quiz?
Born ready.
Listeners, you play too. Quiz 1. Polite version. I say an impolite sentence. You make it polite. Sentence. I want tea.
I would like tea, please.
Correct! Quiz 2. Fix the wrong line. Sentence. Give me menu.
Could I have the menu, please?
Nicely done. Quiz 3. Choose the right phrase. How do you ask for the bill?
Could I have the bill, please?
Perfect. Micro summary number 2. You learned how to order politely, how to ask questions, how to correct mistakes, how to ask for the bill, rapid fire practice. Now, close your eyes. Imagine you and Chris walk into a beautiful restaurant. Jasmine aroma, soft music. A waiter approaches. Good evening. Do you have a reservation? Chris, answer.
Yes, table for 2 under the name Chris.
The waiter hands you the menu. You say, could I have the grilled chicken with extra vegetables, please? Listeners, repeat this sentence right now. Section 9. Final practice conversation. Natasha, as waiter. Welcome. What would you like to order?
I would like the pasta, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes, could I have lemonade?
Would you like it sweet?
Less sweet, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon. Listeners, now your turn. Fill in the blanks. I would like the blank, please. Could I have blank? Less blank, please. Vocabulary number 4. Customize. Meaning, change according to your need. Pronunciation, customize. Example, I want to customize my order. Section 10. Common beginner mistakes and fixes. 1. Give me. Could I have? 2. I want water. Fast. May I have water, please? 3. Bill give. Could I have the bill? 4. What is this? Sounds rude. Could you explain this dish, please? Micro summary 3. You can now enter a restaurant, talk to a waiter, understand menus, order confidently, customize your food, ask for the bill, speak politely and naturally. You're becoming fluent. You're becoming powerful. Section 11. Emotional buildup. To everyone listening, confidence is not about perfect English. It's about trying. It's about showing up. It's about telling yourself, I deserve to speak. I deserve to be heard.
And trust me, if I can learn this, you can too.
We believe in you.
We're proud of you.
And we're here for you. Every single episode. Section 12. high-energy outro. And that brings us to the end of today's cinematic English learning journey.
I'm hungry now.
Go order confidently. Thank you, beautiful listener, for learning and growing with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the English Lab for more knowledge to learn English speaking skills.